Hey, it's Chris with Cam Superline Trailers. Today I'd like to talk to you about the features and benefits of our full width equipment hauler. Starting with the front, we have our 2-bolt adjustable coupler. This makes it easy to adjust to any vehicle configuration. It has a 7,000 pound jack with a drop leg feature, so you don't have to crank this all the way up and all the way down. It also has our diamond plate tongue steps, makes it easy accessible to the deck. If you come around here to the side, we have our stake pockets of rub rails and our D-rings for extra tie down points. This trailer is equipped with a full width deck and heavy duty reinforced drive over fenders. This combination makes it possible to load wider wheel-based equipment or vehicles. We come around here to the back, we have our 2-foot diamond plate beaver tail with equipped with banjo eyes. It also has our 5-foot quick release ramps. My name is Chris Mowry, and if you have any questions about our full width equipment hauler or any other trailers, please visit us at camsuperline.com.